How farmers raised black pig under the oak. Hello my friends. The Iberian pig, known as the Spanish pig, is a unique breed raised in the regions of Spain and Portugal. Renowned for its exceptional meat and distinct fat quality, it serves as the primary ingredient for producing the famous Jamon Iberico, a premium smoked ham. Join us as we explore how farmers care for these valuable pigs. Globally, the Iberian pig, also known as the Spanish pig, stands out as one of the most renowned breeds, celebrated for its distinctive meat and fat quality. Creating the ideal condition for raising Iberian pigs is essential to their success. Flourishing in forest and pasture settings, these pigs require ample space to roam and forage for natural food. Basking in the sun, Iberian pigs naturally shed their fur, reducing stress. Their free movement aids in developing muscle and fat, contributing the unique and flavorful meat they produced. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the enchanting realm of Andalusia, the unique home of our extraordinary Iberian pig. This exceptional species continued to captivate discerning dinners with its unmistakable and stable flavors. Showcased in various meat products such as sausages and Iberian ham. Centuries of selective breeding and adaptation have shaped this exceptional pig, allowing it to thrive in the distinctive Mediterranean environment. Expansive grassland adorned with Holm oaks and Cork oaks create a picturesque landscape. The acorns produced by these trees serve as a distinctive source of nutrition for Iberian pigs. The Dehesa ecology, with its unique combination of flora and fauna, plays a pivotal role in the final aging process, enriching the meat of the Iberian pig with a distinct and unparalleled flavor. Roaming freely and feeding naturally in the exceptional environment transforms Iberian pig into an exquisite culinary masterpiece, offering every dinner an unforgettable gastronomic experience. The Iberian pig, as a special breed, gives rise to unique and delightful dishes, with Jamon Iberico standing out. An air-dried ham crafted from the hind legs of the Iberian pig, renowned for its distinctive flavor and exquisitely marbled fat. Jamon Iberico has solidified its position as one of the most delectable cured meats globally. Additionally, Chorizo Iberico, a Spanish sausage, contributes to the allure with its rich combination of flavors from meat and fat. Alongside these, Salchichon Iberico, another type of sausage crafted from Iberic pig meat, delivers a distinctive and abundant taste. Furthermore, Secreto Iberico, a marbled cut from meat from the near loin of the Iberian pig, transformed into a delicious and succulent dish when grilled or roasted. Pluma Iberico, the heart of the shoulder area, is equally irresistible, maintaining its best flavor when cooked swiftly. Lastly, the meat from the neck of the Iberian pig, when quickly grilled and enjoyed with a simple sauce, provides distinctive and enticing taste. The process of crafting Jamon Iberico is delicate and meticulous, carried out by skilled and passionate artisans. After the Monterino season, the pigs enter salting phase, where each piece of meat undergoes thorough salting to ensure even absorption throughout the cut. Subsequently, the pork pieces are hung in unique cellars for drying and aging. During this time, the meat loses natural moisture and develops its distinctive flavor while absorbing aromas from the surrounding environment. Crafting Jamon Iberico can take several months to over 3 years, depending on each piece of meat's size and fat content. Each jamon undergoes regularly quality control checks by experts, ensuring they develop correctly and achieve the highest quality. let's delve into the culinary treasure of Iberian pork, a unique culinary gem from Iberian Peninsula. The Iberian pigs, a special breed nurtured with love and patience, produce meat of exceptional quality that offers a distinct and delicious culinary experience, unmatched by any other. Experience the rich and savory flavor of jamon, the dried ham from the hind legs of Iberian pigs, immersing you in a labyrinth of enticing aromas. Indulge in chorizo and salchichon, flavorful sausages made from Iberian pork, adding a unique and diverse touch to your feast. Each bite of Iberian pork reveals the distinction and craftsmanship that goes into its production, creating a truly unforgettable pork, a gastronomical journey. Discovering the extraordinary flavors of Iberian pork will let your taste buds embark on a culinary adventure. In addition, lomo or lomito are premium cuts of Iberian pork, known for their rich flavors. Marinated with exquisite spices and carefully packaged to preserve their taste and quality. Iberian pork produce are iconic in Spanish and Portuguese cuisine. Explore the delicious creation from Iberian pork and immerse yourself in the exquisite flavors of the Iberian Peninsula. The recorded prices for different Iberian pigs vary. For grain-fed Iberian pigs, the price standards at €28 per kilogram, approximately $33. In contrast, grass-fed Iberian pigs are priced higher, €30 per kilogram, approximately $36. When it comes to piglets, the average price for mixed piglets is €190 per pound, approximately $4 per kilogram. On the other hand, purebred Iberian piglets are priced higher, at €11.92 per pound, about $4.23 per kilogram. Feral pigs, known for their natural and wild habitat, are creatures that often cause damage to crops and may attack other animals. However, in contemporary Africa, there's a shift in approach, as people are now actively caring for and raising these wild boars in farms. These farms undergo a domestication process designed to make the boars more friendly and approachable to humans. The construction of wild boar farms is often done with a specific goal of simulating their natural environment. The aim is to optimize a lifestyle for the boars that closely mirror their natural habitats, reducing stress for them. Wild boars raised in these farms typically receive a diverse diet that includes various vegetables and fruits. This dietary approach is intended to mimic the natural nutrition that wild boars would attain in their native habitats. Wild boars undergo a natural gestation process, with a typical duration ranging from 110 to 120 days. During the early stages of life, piglets are entirely dependent on their mother's milk. Over the period of 2 to 4 weeks, piglets gradually transition from a milk-based diet to interacting with consuming solid food, such as ground corn. This transition marks a reduced dependency on their mother's milk. The piglets are cared for with a healthy diet, and there is a commitment to avoiding the use of harmful chemicals and growth-promoting substances. In addition to consuming vegetable organically, the pigs are supplemented with grains in their diet. This unique dietary approach contributes to a distinct and delicious flavor in their meat compared to conventional types. Organic pigs undergo natural reproduction, and during pregnancy, mother pigs are often released into fields for birthing. Wild boars typically take from 1 to 2 mature years. After the nurturing and domestication process, during this time, they often become docile and non-destructive. The herds of wild boars are carefully tended to grow and healthy, provide high-quality meat. They are processed into various delicious dishes. We have just explored a wild boar farm and how farmers care for and domesticate them. Please share your thoughts in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the share button and subscribe to support the channel for more videos. Goodbye and see you in the next video.